Alrighty, fellas. Next big project. Got this Tundra. They're doing our level 3 customer favorite coating package, and I'm gonna go over on what comes with the level 3. But yeah, this Tundra is looking pretty hit. So level 3, getting done on this Tundra. We're gonna do a 2-step paint correction. So we're gonna do cutting compound, and then we're going to be polishing the paint. We're getting 75 to 85% of the paint looking to perfection, and then after all that, we're going to apply our CQuartz Finest Reserve ceramic coating, best coating ever. And then we do wheel removal. We're going to coat the inside and the outside of the wheel. We're going to coat your calipers, make sure those are all shiny and clean before we even apply the coating. Get that brake dust off. And then after all that, we also apply our coating to the glass as well, front windshield, side, and your back. And if you have a sunroof as well. And then after all that, we do an engine bay cleaning. So we're going to make sure inside and out of this Tundra is looking to perfection once it's ready to leave. So we're going to go to the inside and do a full interior detail, wipe carpets, mats, dashboard, anything on the inside is going to get clean, carpet scrub, and glass clean. So we're looking probably the brightest Tundra on the road down here in Pennsylvania. So that is our customer favorite coating package because everything gets taken care of: wheels, calipers, paint, trim, glass, your interior. If you guys looking for a package like that, come down to us. We'll give you a quote, get you on schedule.
Perfect.
So right here on the left side, I didn't do any type of correction work. So as you can see, the swirlage on this side of the paint is hammered. I did the right side of the hood, and I'm about to show you that now. So here's the before. And this is the after I did my correction. I did a cutting compound, and then I did my polish. And as you can see, I got rid of all the our finest reserve. Focus. There we go. Look at that gold bottle.